Hello, my friends. This recording is going to give you the directions on how to complete our new activity called A Journey Through the Civil Rights Movement. You will be working on this in class whenever you finish other work and you don't have anything else left to do. And this will be enrichment for you and extra credit points for every part that you complete. But before you start working on this, make sure you have all of your classwork completed up to today's date. All right, so when you're ready to work on this, you will get the link to the website from me, and this is what you will see at first. So we're going to go ahead and just log in. And this is an interactive activity, and I think you're going to like it. The first page that we're seeing here, you're going to complete one page every day. I don't want you to do it all at one time. You're going to do one page at a time, and you don't have to complete the whole page in one day. You can complete some of it and come back to it the next day because it might take you longer to do some things. So this is the first page, and what you see is a little picture here in a picture frame. And if I just click on this little icon, it's going to zoom in on that picture. And in this picture are all these different activities in which you will learn about different things in the civil rights movement. Once you're on a page, it really doesn't matter what order you do them in, but you can see with these orange circles, everywhere you see an orange circle is an interactive activity. If you get confused, if you want to go back to the main page, you can just click this home button. It'll take you back to the beginning. So what you're going to do is choose one of the activities. I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to click on that little orange circle, and it tells me it's a photo gallery. Okay, so let's check that out. I'm going to click on the photo gallery, and then it's going to open up that activity. And when you get to an activity, I want you to click on everything you can in the activity. Some things you will have to read, some things will be audio recordings, some things will be videos to watch. It might take you to another website, or it might zoom you in just like this. So this is just a slide show. If you click on here, it tells you what this picture is. So I want you to take your time as you go through these things and really read everything and study all the pictures. Okay, so I'm done with this activity. So what I want to do is, let's see, I forget how to go back. I think I pushed this arrow here. Yeah, that takes me back to the page. Let's check out this one over here. Atlanta Race Riot. Okay, so this is probably something to read or a video to watch. Let's find out. Okay, it's both. So here I would read the little paragraph, and then I would click on here to watch the video. And when I'm done, I go up here to push this arrow to go back to the beginning. So each day you're going to complete as many of these activities you can on one page. And then you will be given a Google form link to complete for that day, telling me what you worked on, and you'll have to answer some of the questions. So you may want to open the Google form before you start the activities, and then you can fill it out as you go along. The only thing is, if you don't finish the page, you can't save your Google form. So you have to figure out how that works best for you. You can always write down your answers on a piece of paper and then fill in the Google form later. Okay, so as you go through this activity, you're going to do a little bit each day. And if you click to the next page, the next set is a different topic. So you would do this one on a different day. And then we have another topic here, and another topic here, and another topic here. I think there are I think there are 6 pages. It's most likely we won't finish this before the end of the school year, but we'll get through a good bit of it. If you have any questions about this, you can ask me in class. This is just something for you to work on. Like I said, when all of your other schoolwork is done, it is definitely going to help you with our unit that we're doing now about civil rights. and it will be extra credit points for you. So any questions that you have, just let me know, and go back to the classroom now and get started on your first page.